Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is to talk about a little something that happened today. So if you tried to log in to some services from Google, your Gmail account, or anything YouTube, you were probably not getting in, and it's probably not working well. One of the interesting aspects of all of this is that it seems to be a problem that affected people that were logged out and needed to log in. But while the problem was happening, if you were already logged in, looking at videos or checking your Gmail, that was okay. You were still having your services work. It's as if it was a login issue more than anything else. Google has acknowledged that there was a huge YouTube problem and Gmail problem, and it was everything really that is related to a Gmail account technically. Even Pokemon Go users were saying that they couldn't work this morning and nothing was working, and they used Google account to log in. So it really is a authentication within the Google services that was the problem. It was telling you either an error message, or it was telling you didn't have an account or that account didn't exist. So it lasted for a few hours, but things are back to normal as of this video. So things should be working again. You could still do Google searches and stuff like that, but it wasn't really the login. I think it was centered, from what I see, into the login of accounts where that didn't work. So things are back to normal as of this writing. Google, of course, not saying what happened and not really giving any details. But if you had some problems with Gmail, with YouTube, and any other types of services, things should be back to normal as of this video. Today, Monday, December 14th, 2020. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching our videos.